Hi everyone, today's video is about wearable top 10 color trends for fall winter 2024. The top 5 colors are chocolate brown, burgundy, grey, olive green and navy, and the rest of the colors are shades of brown, shades of navy, red, butter yellow and pink. Let's straight away jump into the burgundy color, which is everywhere from the runways to street style fashion. Now the most loved color combination this year is of grey and burgundy, and that is my first look. I'm wearing this mock neck dark grey colored sweater underneath, and over it I'm wearing this deep burgundy jacket. It is a blazer and this is how it looks with the long sleeves. It has got this beautiful cut at the neckline. The first thing I'm going to do is roll up my sleeves because I wanted to go for a casual, very effortless and cool look. Now it looks like I'm wearing a suit, but these are separates. I have paired up them together because the blazer has slightly cinched in waist and also it has sort of A shape, and this A shape goes perfectly with the micro flare of the pants, and it looks like I'm wearing a full suit with this grey color. Now this is how you can style the pieces in your wardrobe. You can go with neutral color combinations with the burgundy color and go for pieces that you already have. I'm keeping my accessories simple, going for black shoes and burgundy bag, and that is how simple it is to style this first trend. Next is chocolate brown color. Chocolate brown is another hot color, especially when it comes to outerwear. But rather than styling a jacket or a long coat, I wanted to show you how you can incorporate smaller pieces from your wardrobe. For example, this beautiful turtleneck sweater. I have paired it up with my blue denim jeans. I absolutely love this pair of jeans because of two reasons. They are of loose fit style, and the second reason is they are wide legged. They are currently in trend and they are going to be in trend in the year 2025 as well, just in case if you want to know. Now because I'm wearing chocolate brown shoes, I wanted to tie this whole look together with the help of this belt. The light brown belt works magically with the whole entire outfit. Now I'm adding another beauty, and that is my chocolate brown bucket bag, which completes my outfit. This is how simple it is to put the pieces together. If you want to style this outfit for the late fall or winter, then you can go ahead with the brown jacket or brown coat, or you can also go for a beige colored long coat or jacket. Next is olive green color. Shades of khaki, forest green, dark grass green, these are versatile colors that can be dressed up or down. This is a beautiful dress. It has got animal print all over, and also it has two color combos. First is this olive green, dark olive green or khaki color combined with the brown color, which is a beautiful color combination. For the fall, you can carry a coat or jacket on your shoulders, and for winters, you can go for a wool coat with a cinched in waist. Cinched in waist goes really well with these kind of dresses. If you look at the whole dress, the darker print at the waistline makes an illusion of slimmer waist, and also the dark print on the hemline goes really well with the black coat, tights and shoes. Also it makes you look taller. These kind of prints make you look taller. Now because I'm coming up with this elegant and classy outfit, I thought it would go really well with a slouchy black bag, and that completes my olive green look. Up next is grey color. Grey has had a moment across all fashion platforms this year, be it runaways or street style. But personally, I think that grey is a must-have color during summers or winters, no matter whatever year it is. I am going for tonal dressing this time. The color of my top is slightly different from the color of my trousers, but it works very well. Because I wanted to amp up this look, I am opting for this beautiful shrug. It has got color combination of white, navy and burgundy and blends perfectly with the tonal top to bottom grey look. Now I have added this black belt because it helps in defining my waist. It separates the top and bottom, and gives an illusion of slimmer waist. I just have to go for basic black bag. I'm opting for black shoes, and that's all I need for this very elegant and refined look. Next is navy blue color. I've incorporated two blue colors, sky blue and navy. Let's talk about the pastel blue color first. This is a beautiful sky blue colored sweater, and if you love pastel colors, you will absolutely love this sweater. I have simply tied it up with my navy blue pants. Now these are the oldest pair of pants in my wardrobe. They are sort of cigarette or skinny, sort of in between pants, but they are absolutely my favorite. Now this is how you can mix up the old pieces with the new pieces and style them together. For this outfit, I only need basic black bag and black shoes, and that's pretty much it. That is how simple it is to style this beautiful sky blue color. Let's take some inspiration from the picture and style in the similar way. I'm wearing this dark navy blazer over the sky blue sweater, and I haven't changed my pair of pants. And this is how beautiful this color combination looks put together with the all over outfit. Sometimes the lighter and darker shades of the same color blend perfectly, and this is how simple it is to create this look. I'm going for black shoes and black bag, and that's all I need. Now talking about the color trend, even sky blue, turquoise blue, ocean, and in some cases cobalt blue was also seen on the runways and street style. If you are a lover of different shades of blue, it is time to put them into practice. The next color is butter yellow. Perhaps the most surprising trending color this year is butter yellow. I think a lot of people think that it is a difficult color to style, but personally I think the easiest option is to go ahead with off-white or cream color. Now this is a gorgeous off-white colored sweater. It has got this sort of baggy style, and also it has long sleeves to keep you warm enough. The color palette blends perfectly. I wanted to go for an effortless look, and that's the reason I have tucked this sweater in from the right side, and I'm leaving it slightly hanging on the left side. Now a contrast of chocolate brown color against the pale yellow color goes really well put together, so that's the reason I decided to style this look with chocolate brown bucket bag. And also for the choice of shoes, I'm sticking to chocolate brown boots. If you have similar colored sunnies, you can grab them, and this is how you can style this yellow color. Next is brown color. The top 10 color trends for fall winter this year, they also include shades of brown, that is camel beige, earthy browns and golden undertones. Now you can pair up the outerwear very easily if it is in brown color, but I wanted to show you how to create unique outfits. That's the reason I'm pairing up my camel wide-legged pants with the peplum top. Now if you look at the top, it has this sort of ruffle details on the shoulder and sleeves. And I have also added this brown belt because it cinches in my waist, and it also shows the shape of the peplum top, which blends perfectly with the wide-legged pants. I'm sticking to black bag and black shoes, and that's all I need. For the early fall, you can wear a black blazer on the shoulders, and for winters, you can go for a black coat or a camel coat, and that's all you need. Next is pink color. You generally don't associate pink with the winter outfits. However, it's a shade that most brands have showcased during the fall-winter fashion this year. I'm pairing up my beautiful pink fuzzy sweater with the off-white crinkled chiffon skirt. This is how it looks when it is not tucked in. You can also tuck it in. That is another way of styling this outfit. How I like is I slightly tuck it in from the front and leave it hanging from behind. And this is how cool it looks put together. Now for the choice of shoes and bag, I'm sticking to beige color, and that completes my pastel outfit. It is a perfect soft girl outfit. for the early fall or winter season. But if you want to transition it from fall to winter, then you can go ahead with off-white coat or even beige coat, and a scarf will complete the winter outfit. Do not forget to wear your tights and keep you warm. Next is red color. In top 10 trending colors along with the shades of red, cherry tomato is one of the key colors of fall winter 2024. If you find it difficult to style red color, then this is the best example. I am pairing up this beautiful red jacket with the brown tones. It has got front zip closure, 2 pockets and long sleeves to keep you warm enough. And the best pairing up of the red color goes with the brown shades. That's the reason I'm going tonal here. I'm wearing this beautiful sweater top and I have paired it up with my camel wide-legged pants. Same goes for my accessories as well. I'm wearing these dark brown colored loafers which are also in trend currently, and carrying my tote bag. So this is how you can put the pieces together along with the red color. The red jacket here is my statement piece that speaks for itself, and rest of the things complement with this center stage. That was all for today. This is how I have styled top 10 colors for the fall winter season during 2024. Do let me know which is your favorite color, and also my humble request is to like, share, subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments section, and I'll see you next time.